Okay, so unfortunately I didn't get to do a video on the exhaust. Well, I did get to install it due to the fact that I was under the weather a little bit. I did get sick. No COVID, no fucking Megatron, that bullshit. Fucking just a common cold, because this fucking Texas weather likes to throw out digits like fucking Powerball, you know, fucking 2 degrees, 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 40, 30. But yeah, so we did pick up the exhaust. We got the exhaust, me and my brother. My brother actually got better. I got, what are you doing, pup? Check him out, check him out. Hey, come on, go do it. He's out here with me spending some time. We're gonna jack her up. I did wash her today. She was a fucking mess. I did wash her. I'm sorry if I sound a little congested, that's all I have. Anyways, I did wash her today. I didn't wash her the way I wanted to. I washed her machine wash. Whoa, look at that. Big ass bug. I did do an automatic wash. I'm not very fond of it. I want to say it did scratch one of my fenders. I'm not too sure if that was already there with the dust, or if it was there with the dust, or if it got there by the machine. I don't know, but I'll buff it out. I'm gonna I want to see if I can do a color match and clay bar and all that stuff, and good stuff on it, because I did get a rock chip by a freaking trailer, which fucking sucks. It actually dented my hood a little bit. You know, it's a very fine dent. You can't really tell, only if you pay attention to it, or if you see it in the sun, and when it's clean you can see the little divot. But yeah, she's clean. I just need to put armor on the tires, as you can tell. Come here. Need to put armor on. He wants to get in. He wants to go for a ride, since we went for a ride that day. We're gonna go pick up the exhaust. I am gonna jack it up shortly and take off that exhaust. So stay tuned. Give me a second here. I'm gonna do a time lapse on me jacking up the car, and I'll probably put this guy away because I don't want him to get squished. I don't want him to get hurt by the jack stands or anything like that. And plus, he always likes to be in the business, which is, it's fine, but I just don't want him to get hurt, and, you know, pipes and stuff. He's my baby, can't let him do that. But yeah, so stay tuned. We are gonna jack this baby up, and hopefully before the sun goes down, I'll have this full exhaust done, full catback. So yeah, check it out, man. Hopefully by the time my brother gets home, I want to surprise him. Before he gets home, I want to have this bitch on. So yeah, check it out. Check this out. Full catback. Full catback. Similar to NVIDIA, but it's SPEC D. I ain't got that much money, you know. I ain't making that big old YouTube money just yet. Single tip, 4-inch. Dual tip, sorry, not single tip. We're gonna take out these silencers. I'm gonna hear it first with the silencers, and then we'll take them out, see what's up. I got the full catback, like I said. And the Y. Right there, the resonator. Delete. And we got the elbow that goes around the rear end. So yeah, let's get to it. Jacking up this car and see what we could do. Yeah, sweating, guys. We sweating like a motherfucker over here. Anyways, it's good though. It's all good. All right, so now we got it done, jacked up. All right, here we go. So I believe everybody's been saying this is a 14 millimeter. Oh man, I might need a deep socket for this one. Yeah, I'm gonna need a 14 deep socket for this one. 14 deep. So yeah, let me check that out. Okay, my exhaust is cold. I just got home, so yeah, let's see here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every day, baby. Every day. I want to take off the extension on that one. So get more leverage on this bitch. Oh yeah, much easier. There we go. Never been taken out. Never been touched. Like a virgin. Oh, we got Sal. Hold on, let me mix.
That's it. That's all you need to do. Watch your face.
I'm gonna slip on your face.
Like that too.
Right there. She's in. This one, the Y. Oh shit. I'm gonna leave it over here. Oh, here it is. I hang the mufflers in or what? And then do this, the Y or what? So they can sustain from, this Y can sustain from the...
Anyway, I can't see shit. Well, not take it off, but...
There. Well, that sucked. No shit. Oh, my phone wasn't recording, but I don't know what it got. I leave it up like that for now. Alright. We did it. It's on. It's on. It looks pretty damn good.
You gotta take off the silencer.
Right now I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna try once with the silencers, once without. This is a kit. There's a lot of people saying that this kit doesn't fit. I just proved everybody wrong. This kit will fit. It is from an 08 to a 14. I was on tons of fucking forums and everybody told me it wasn't gonna fit. I looked at countless numbers of pictures of the old body style, or like the older 08 to 14 to the 15 to 20 body chassis pictures to see and everything checked out. People said that the donut wasn't gonna fit. It fit perfectly. The hangers weren't gonna fit because they were off of a different model. That's some bullshit. They do fit. They probably just ordered the wrong shit for theirs. They probably ordered like a BRZ or something. But if you're looking for a good budget, you know, if you don't got anything to spend, under 500 bucks, you get a full catback, SPEC D, and it will fit an 08 all the way up to 20. Catback, SPEC D. It's like a medium start. I just got home. It sounds quiet as shit. It doesn't sound like.
Sounds deep though.
It sounds quiet.
Sounds deep.
It sounds the throttle response a lot different since it is a catback. Even though it sounds a little bit quieter, it sounds not exactly the same. It just sounds a little bit more throatier than it is a catback. It does have a lot of throttle response. It feels way different than with the regular exhaust. But then again, you're going from like an inch and a quarter, inch and a half, inch or two inch, from a 2 inch to like a 3.5 or 2.5, 3 inch or whatever. So it has a difference. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take off the silencers, see if that makes a difference.
Yeah, sounds pretty bad.
It sounds throatier?
Yeah, oh yeah, sounds bad.
Yeah.
It sounds nice.
It sounds deep, right?
Yeah, it sounds deep and nice.
There you go, man. There you have it. SPEC D Tuning. SPEC D Tuning catback. Buy it, but I think when you get on it, that's when you get on it, it's just gonna. Let me take this baby down. Take it down and take it for a test drive. Hopefully my brother gets here so we can check it out. And it sounds a little different on the floor, right? Yeah, it sounds nice. Sounds nice. Thanks to my daddy for the help. It's a pretty easy install as long as, like I say, you gotta. Everybody says you gotta have lubrication, and yeah. The only thing that's hard to take out is those rubber grommets. Other than that, it fits. It works. And yeah, again, it is a 2008 to 2014 full catback system. It does fit a 2015, because they are the same, 2015 to 2021. It will fit. It will fit. So if somebody says it doesn't fit, fuck them, because it does fit. It does fit, and I proved it, and there it is. Pa' que se quede un pedacito. Ay, look. Hey guys, so not even 30 minutes into having a new exhaust. Not even 30 minutes into having a new exhaust, and I got pulled over. It's too loud. What we do. It's what we do, man.
We gotta keep it down. I'm gonna wake up the deer.
Yeah. sounded nice until I downshifted and stuff. Okay, downshifted.
I wasn't gonna hurt that fucking pop.
I'm sorry about that. Can't help but being a hot rodder.
I just got it, sir. I just painted it, sir. First off, fuck your bitch in the click you claim. West side when we ride, it'll be quick with day. I wanna watch Chingo some movies. Hey, tonight our heads are up.
You want?
Yeah. I'm gonna put my shit to download right now.
I downloaded my shit. I played yesterday. Me and
Spiral.
No, me and Chica. Spyro didn't even get on.
No, madness.
Spyro got on for a little bit and then he got off. It doesn't take 2 hours, bro. You could have taken like at least 45 minutes.
Sir, like that's 1 0, it's going to be a warning, okay?
Alrighty, yes, sir.
These phones for warning, so just not go on the job board.
Alrighty, yes, sir.
Here you go, boss.
Copy of the warning, go on the job board. Job safe.
Alright, yes, sir. Thank you.
Hold it in frame. That's a thumbnail right there.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail approved.
Hold the camera. Here we go.